where architecture fits into the landscape. A rustic retreat on a 7-acre farm. This residence is an exercise in restraint. A structure that doesn't claim the land but quietly dissolves into it. Designed around the philosophy of blending rather than breaking, the architecture seeks anonymity within nature, allowing the environment to take the center stage. Hi, I'm architect Kamesh from Design Interactions 16. Join us for an exclusive home tour of Aksharam in Erode. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The links in the description below. The site is located in the outskirts of Erode. This is a 7-acre property. Client needs to be live sustainably along with the nature. And we carved out of 30,000 square feet of land. Spatially, the house is organized as 5 distinctive blocks, each serving a unique function yet bound together through proportion, materiality, and landscape. We are in the main entrance of the house. So any entrance comprises of 2 main elements. You have a door and then the nameplate. This rock, we carved this Aksharam out of this rock. This rock was earlier here. This handrail is mimicry of the tree. Once you open the door, the concept of blending into the nature, I don't want any built fabric to be visible once you open the door. So once you open the door, you can see the expanse of the landscape. Once you enter from the main door, so you'll be having a water body, the landscape. So I made a colonnade arcade. Once you enter into the house, this is the first space you will be arriving. This is the Pooja Space. After the Pooja room, we are now at the arrival court. So like the walkway have a different material and the arrival court has a different material. In the arrival court, we planted 4 plumeria trees. After the arrival court, there is the kitchen complex. This is the everyday kitchen, northwestern part of the entire complex. As per Vastu, it has to be here. There is a separate pathway to the bedroom as well. And now we are in the living space. It consists of 3 different portions. One is the main living area. And then we have a dining area. And then we have a front kitchen where we do very light cooking. And then we have a mezzanine floor. This floor is basically, it's kind of study space for the kids. So we use materials like Kota stone, rustic steel finish, and then natural wood finish. Since this is a double light space, ceiling light has indirect lighting, so that until 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the evening, we don't need any artificial lighting for the interiors. And then once you cross the semi-private area, you enter into again an open court where you have a swimming pool here. And then we have a sunken seating area. The pool is framed on all sides of walkways, shaded decks and green buffers, becoming the central courtyard around which life happens. This is the recreation block where we have a huge conference hall that at times my client used to attend video conference, informal video conference over here. Just to have a view wherever you are sitting in, either from the living room or from the recreational space or even from the bedroom. You can cross to the bedroom area. Client have 2 kids. We placed 2 bedrooms on the ground floor. And then one more master bedroom at the top. Also, we had a TV room here. The exterior is finished in exposed cement plaster. Inside, the material palette is tactile and timeless. Kota stone flooring runs throughout, grounding the interiors with its natural texture and thermal performance. Large openings blur the line between indoors and outdoors, inviting in breeze, light and the soundtrack of the farm. A home that breathes with the land. More than just a residence, this is an architectural landscape, one that lives with nature rather than over it. Built with honest materials and designed to age, evolve and disappear into its surroundings.